In this video, I'll show you how to run the Avian core wallet as a full node. Head to Wallet, then Options, then Network. Check Map port using UPnP, check Allow incoming connections, and press OK. Afterwards, you'll need to restart the client, and you will now be running your Avian core wallet as a full node. If you have any questions or would like to follow the development of the network, join us on Discord. We're on every major platform that you use. Links in the description below.